Meaning of solitude. Solitude means the state of being alone, usually by choice, and often in a peaceful or reflective way. It is not loneliness. Solitude is calm, intentional, and positive. Example sentences. She enjoys the solitude of early mornings before the city wakes up. After a busy week, he escaped to the forest to find some solitude. Solitude helps me clear my mind and recharge. The writer spent hours in solitude, working on his new book. Sometimes a bit of solitude is exactly what we need to feel like ourselves again. Short story. Using solitude. Every Sunday, Mark walked to a small lake near his home. He loved the solitude there. No noise, no phones, no people rushing past him. He sat on a wooden bench, watched the water move, and listened to the wind. In that quiet space, he felt his thoughts become lighter. When he finally walked home, the world felt calmer, as if the lake had shared its peace with him.